What up guys, welcome to another video. Trevor and I are taking the Z's to K-Sport because we're filming some videos for their channel. We're gonna do how to replace a spring on a coilover and how to replace a shock on a coilover. And we're gonna hang out with Corey a little bit and I'm gonna show him the Voodoo Hydro. So Voodoo and K-Sport are the same people, the same warehouse. So when you get Voodoo parts or K-Sport parts, they're coming from the same place. So I went yesterday to get paint to paint the front bumper on the car, and it was gonna be 200 bucks, and I was like, nope, it's kind of a bummer. I'd rather just spend that money on vinyl and do 600 bucks and wrap the whole car ourselves. So kind of prolonging the process of making the car look like one piece, but it's the best way to spend the money. K-Sport. Ultimate skid pad. All the coilovers. Corey! Corey! Where are you? There he is. Trevor, how's our Bitcoin doing? Can you give us a report, please?
You see by the graph, compared to last year's earnings, we are exponentially shooting through the roof over there.
That's how we afford really cheap Z's, is look at that skyrocketing Bitcoin. No, have you ever invested in Bitcoin?
I put $100 into it, so I was like moving. Paid $10.
You made $10. Good for you. I personally have not messed with Bitcoin.
Alright boys, you ready?
In the back of K-Sport now, getting ready. Got my K-Sport shirt on. That's where all the orders go out back here. See all the ones getting shipped out today. Getting all of our video equipment. Getting set up, got the mic. We're talking about first changing out your spring. If you want a different spring rate, softer, harder. And this is a shock. And we're filming at this part of the warehouse. It's a super cool spot. I'll leave a link in the description to the K-Sport YouTube channel so you guys can go check this out. Just finished filming. We also did how to replace a shock or beat. It's been a couple hours. This stuff takes longer than you think, but we might go out to the back lot, maybe throw out a barrel. And Trevor and I really want to tandem do donuts around the barrels, so see if Corey's down to record it for us. I think we can get closer. I think we can get closer. Let's get closer.
I had to run away.
Woo!
Alright, I'll follow you in.
I'm gonna follow him. He's scared, but I'm not.
They're paying for the damage.
Not bad. That was fun. I like following.
Let's see what Trevor thinks.
Trevor, give us a scoop.
It's like it's scary, like I'm constantly looking behind me and seeing if you're coming up.
He says he wants you to get closer.
Oh, well, let's do it. Down.
Do a really tight donut around this trash can.
Okay. Like I'm in hot or slow?
Just start off from right here.
We're getting the hang of it. I like it. Do you have any tire left on that side?
Yeah, enough to do one more.
Enough to get home? Holy
You like that, Quinn?
dude, that was sick, man. Good stuff, man. Okay.
Was that for me?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It's still smoking.
Oh.
Holy crap.
Oh, record.
Really?
Yeah.
Rip.
Okay. They were toast anyways. Corey, thank you.
No worries, man. Thank you.
See you next time.
Hey, Trev, thanks for coming out, dog. Dude, thank you for everything.
Yeah, no worries. All right.
You guys, what, see you later?
Yeah.
My car will be ready for next time.
Corey's car's almost done. It's crazy. Some good tire Trevor brought home with us from My Tires. Just got back to the house. Before we end the video, look how many t-shirts we have left. Maybe 20, a little over 20. And if you have already bought a shirt, don't worry, you're entered in this. I have a bunch of random stuff to give away to you guys, and it's gonna be for the last of the Karma Driving Club shirt. I'm not gonna make any more of those for a while. It's got the blue, the white, the black, and I have a new design in the progress, so that'll be the next one. But to end these out, I'm giving away a Soul Guard sent this out to give away a Hustle bag. It has a spot right here where a solar battery goes here so you can charge your phone and things like that. I actually use this bag all the time. I have my laptop in it, I take it on the go. It's dope. I have a 2015 Plus STI intake from Cobb I bought with my own money. And we have this W1 carbon fiber intake cover for 350Z, and then we also have this pretty sweet dash cam that I reviewed that I want to give away as well. So don't worry, if you already bought a shirt, you already entered the win. I'm going to put you in the process for picking it. But for the car specific ones, I need you to DM me on Instagram or send me an email with a picture of you and your car with the shirt. So after you order the shirt, you get it. Say, hey, this is me with my 2015 STI. I want to get the intake, and I'm going to pick one of you guys to send it to me. And then also, I need a picture of you with the shirt and 350Z. Just send it to me through DM, and I will pick one of you guys to get this. And then for the rest of you, I will be giving away the dash cam and the bag. And this bag's like pretty expensive, and this was over 40 or 50 bucks easy. So hope you guys enjoy it. This is the last of the shirts. We'll see you guys in the next video. Later.